All right, let's see what the husband is up to now. Watch, you can hear. Okay. Of course, he stops as I'm going to turn the camera around. This is going to be a little bit different kind of video for my channel, but I definitely wanted to share this process because we were looking at YouTube videos to how to replace concrete dividers, and they use this, which you can find like at Home Depot and Lowe's, which probably would be easier, but we decided to stick with wood. So Jay is ripping out all of this matter here in our backyard. They're sinking in too much, and looks like some termites, and we just got our house tinted while we were in Vegas, so this is one of the projects he's been wanting to work on.
Okay, so what we did now is we're starting to install the slat concrete wood dividers. So what I'm doing right now is, since the old ones were all rotted out, I'm having to dig out some of the dirt and kind of get the depth that I want to install our new divider board. So this one is my sample piece. This is the actual one I'm going to install. Of course, I got to cut the ends at a 45 degree to mate up against the house. So I've kind of marked it where I'm going to cut it, and I'm going to cut it here in a little bit, so then it'll be right up against the house. That kind of gives you an idea of what I'm doing here. And right now I'm just trying to get the right depth to where it'll fall in. I might have to do some little bit of beat to fit, paint to match kind of thing. But that's where we're at now, and I still got the rest of the backyard to do. And I've got all my new pressure treated wood concrete dividers.
Okay, so we cut this one here. As I'm saying we, I mean Jay. Oh wow. Hey, that looks good, honey.
Ready to take me to the hospital?
Looking really great. It's looking great. This is the before footage that I had found just to show you guys how sunk in those wood beams were, and it was a trip hazard, an eyesore. But now look at it. It is all done and completed, and it's no longer a trip hazard. It looks wonderful. It looks so much better than what it did before. I hope this helps somebody out there who's also trying to replace our concrete dividers with wood. And if so, give us a thumbs up, and give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed these type of videos. It was really fun to do something like this with my husband. And if you're new, we would love it if you subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye.